welcome back to my channel. My name is Mo. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not new, welcome back. Thank you guys so much for clicking on today's video, guys. Today is gonna be a really I'm about to go to Dollar General real quick. I had my two phones set up, but I'm really trying to not overspend unnecessarily, so I'm only gonna do one phone today, and I'm actually gonna be putting up I put this deal together myself, and I'm gonna be like on the screen I will put up like what I have in my cart right now and the coupons that I've clicked, because I want to see how I did, how I do, if it's gonna go through or not, because I feel like I figure out the error that I've been making. So as you guys can see right now, I have a total of $26.25, and I have coupon of $16.30 and an offer 45. Now at first I had 25 in there, but because I had that offer 45 cents, I had to minus off the 45 from the 45 cents from the 25, and that mean I was below the $25 mark to get that $5 off. So that's why I add this TikTok, as you can see, because I might not get a TikTok. I might get something like 33 cents, because that's all I really need. I don't need an entire dollar. I just need a couple cents, but I'm thinking this will work. But as you guys can see, I have a TikTok. I have the Colgate Max Fresh, that was $4, as you can see, and I got $3.27 off. So I'm paying 73 cents. I got a Dove that was $7.50, and I got a $4.43 off. $3 for the discount, the manufacturer discount, and the $5. The small space Febreze, I got that for 33 cents, and it was $3.25. The Dawn was $5 original, and I got $2.96 off. The Persil was $5.50, and I got $2.98 off, so I'm paying $2.97. So together in all, I'm supposed to be paying $11.30. So let's get into this store and see if I'm gonna score. I'm excited. Oh, fingers crossed. Yeah, pray for me. Yeah, pray for me, because I really think I got it. But let's see. Let's go. All right, guys, I am back. As I said, this one was gonna be a fast one because I literally was in and out. So the saving on my coupon was $16.30. I paid $11.01. So guys, I end up and pay $11.01, and I'm gonna put up the screen record right here. When I had put the TikTok on there for $1, thinking that it will go down because of that offer, that 45 cents offer, but it didn't work out that way. So I feel like it's a hit and miss with the system. Sometimes they accept it, sometimes it don't. However, when I scan the stuff in my phone, it was $12, and then I take off the TikTok, it was $11.03. I paid $11.01. I think the deal went exactly as planned. As you guys can see, the subtotal was $9.70 with the tax of $133, and I have the coupon for $16.75. So I feel like I did really good. And then as you can see here, with the regular me clipping the coupons and adding it to my adding to my shopping list, I was scheduled to pay $10.23, but I don't know what happened. I don't know. Anyway, let me show you guys what I got. I pretty much got everything that I have on my list. So I got the Dawn Power Wash. I got the small space. I got the laundry detergent. the Colgate. You know, you can never go wrong with Colgate. And then I have the body wash. This is $7.50, guys. As you guys can see, you guys see the price I paid for it. But yeah, guys, I feel like I did really good. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell and share, because sharing is caring. And thank you guys so much again for watching. See you guys in the next one. I'm off to work because I'm late. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.